adventure, suspense, mystery, some romance, aliens, time travel, mythology. Are you looking for another show to replace your lost addiction? Well, if so, don't cry over spilled milk, because Stargate is great. The characters are great, the plots are great, and Stargate fans are just one big giant family, which is great. The characters are great. You watch shows because you can relate to the characters. They have chemistry, you're rooting for them. And if you start with Stargate SG-1, there's Jack, the sarcastic one, who says everything that deep down we all wish we could. There's Daniel, the sensitive one. He always wants to do what's right. There's Sam, who understands theoretical physics and tries to explain it to everybody else. And Teal'c, the Jaffa from Chulak, who is loyal almost to a fault. And that's just Stargate SG-1, the first 6 seasons or so. The characters are great. They have chemistry. They end up saving the world multiple times. Who doesn't love that? The plots are great. Every episode has a distinct plot. It has a beginning, it has an end, and you can watch it as a standalone and you'll be okay. But also, the seasons have arcs. There's bad guys, and if you watch from beginning to end, you can see the bad guys lose and the good guys win. The plots are great. There's bad guys like Apophis, who never seems to die. There's the Replicators that really have no morals either way. There's the Ori, who just want everybody to worship them and give them more power. But the good guys always end up winning, and no matter whether you watch one episode or entire season's worth, you will be satisfied with the end.